If you own any equipment, you know that you've got Makeshift. You got Makeshift solutions. And this is actually the fuel shutoff right here, where you yank it like a pull rip cord of some sort. So let's get in here. Let's get this thing taken care of. Let's get the new one put on. What we've done is we've added a solution. You know, that's what farmers do. So we're gonna disconnect it, bolt to take this off with. You can make field repairs, but you have to be really, really careful when you're making repairs like this. We got the fuel solenoid out, so now we just got to get the connections off of it here. So we got the old part out. It literally took me like 3 minutes to take this part out, right? So now that we got the old part out, we got to put the new part from FridayParts.com back in it. Right up, come on. We got her buttoned up. Now let's just see if she works. All he's got to do is turn the switch on, and then he should be able to start moving some trees here with that brand new fuel solenoid. Let's see if it cranks up with the repair that we just made. Let's do it. Oh, look at that. Works like a champ.